If you're looking for a phone that gives you solid everyday performance, big storage, and a premium look without wrecking your wallet, the Huawei Nova Y73 might just surprise you. Priced at only 9,999 pesos, this device offers features you wouldn't expect at this price point, and even comes with a free Huawei band worth 2,399 pesos for a limited time. Not bad at all. Let's break down what you're getting. Display and design. The 6.67-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate and up to 1000 nits brightness looks vibrant and smooth, especially for scrolling and social media use. Sure, the resolution is just HD+, but for most users, it's more than enough for watching videos and casual browsing. The sleek body, IP64 dust and splash resistance, and 1.8-meter drop resistance give it that durable, everyday-ready feel. Performance. Under the hood, the Kirin 710A chipset paired with 8GB of RAM handles most tasks like web browsing, messaging, and light gaming decently. It's not made for heavy games, but for everyday users, performance is smooth and reliable, thanks to EMUI 12's optimization. The 256GB internal storage with support for up to 1TB via microSD is a huge win at this price. Camera. The 50MP main camera delivers sharp, decent quality photos in good lighting, and while low-light shots aren't its strong suit, it holds up for quick social media snaps. The 8MP front cam is basic but gets the job done for video calls and selfies. Both cameras can record up to 1080p, which is perfectly fine for casual content. Battery life. One of its standout features is the massive 6,620 mAh battery, easily a 2-day performer for moderate users. Plus, 40W fast charging with HUAWEI SuperCharge support means you won't be stuck waiting too long to top up. Extras and connectivity. It's equipped with modern essentials like side-mounted fingerprint sensor, face unlock, NFC, IR blaster, USB Type-C, and Bluetooth 5.1. You also get 4G LTE, which is still good enough for most networks in the Philippines. Conclusion. The Huawei Nova Y73 isn't trying to be a flagship, and that's okay. For just under 10,000 pesos, you're getting a solid and stylish daily driver with a huge battery, decent performance, and generous storage. It's ideal for students, light users, or anyone who wants a reliable backup phone that looks and feels more expensive than it is. Worth it, definitely, especially with the free Huawei band bonus.